This topic is what I want to talk about a few months ago, but at that moment, I hadn't decided how to start to talk about it. So I didn't make this video until today. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I learned about this traditional and unique Matchlock pen cover. Before I saw the pen cover, I always had a question. Why there are many existing Indian and Tibetan style matchlocks that seemingly didn't have a primary cover on the pen? Because I didn't see the pen had any holes in order to set an axle of the cover. So I just wondered how the ancient people ensured the primary powder was able to be kept in the pen safely under this situation. Plus, we know that the slow match ash also could probably drop on the primary powder if the pen didn't have the cover, and it may result in the gun going off accidentally. However, when I saw this leather cover in some Matchlock firearm collections, I finally knew that, in fact, the Asian people probably very clearly knew the potential risk, and at the same time, they also had the corresponding solutions, and it was very simple design, so this extra pen cover might be one of the solutions. According to the collection's pictures, because there are two hooks and the pen and the tail of the barrel, the cover can be fixed and can cover the whole of the barrel tail and the pen. So it can not only protect the primary powder ignited accidentally by the slow match ash, but also prevent the primary powder from being blown out by the wind. Therefore, I infer that if the shooter wants to fire, he will need to just take off the right side of the cover from the right hook. So the cover should still be on the gun, but at the same time, the gun can be ready to fire. If you also learn about some Chinese matchlock, I think you will remember there are some royal matchlocks of the Qing Dynasty, which were also the Tibetan style. So whether these royal matchlocks had a similar pen cover as well. Now, I think we can figure out this question from two royal paintings in the Forbidden City. Both paintings described the royal hunt in the years that the Qiang Emperor was on the throne. So, this royal hunt was held for the Qiang Emperor in the paintings. The first time I saw the paintings, I wondered if the painter made a very clear mistake that he didn't draw the pen of the matchlock, especially since both very detailed paintings. This mistake was just more obvious. But now, I finally changed my mind. In other words, the existing pen cover collections probably have given my answer. The reason why the painter didn't draw the pen, because at both moments, the first moment, the people were moving on the horseback and the matchlock gun was carried by a man, and the second moment, Qiang Emperor was putting the slow match and was getting ready to fire. Therefore, the cover was still on the pen, and finally the painter recorded the movement with his pen. So this might not be a mistake, but might be a more detailed and realistic painting. So this is this video, and thank you for watching. Hope you can like this video. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.